Anthropic just gave Claude Code its own web browser built right into the desktop app. And that means the AI can now open a website, look at it, and fix problems all by itself. No tab switching, no copy and paste, no screenshots. It just sees this one's different from every other update. So stick with me. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let me back up for a second so you actually understand why this matters. Claude Code is the tool from Anthropic that writes and fixes code for you. You tell it what you want, it builds it. People have been using it for a while now to make websites, apps, and tools. But here's the thing that was always broken about it. Claude could build a website, but it couldn't actually see the website. It was building blind the whole time. Think about that for a second. Imagine hiring someone to paint your house, but they're wearing a blindfold the entire time. They can hold the brush, they can move their arm, but they can't actually check if the wall looks right. That's what Claude Code was before this update. So what did you have to do instead? You had to be its eyes. You take a screenshot, paste it in and say, hey, this button is broken. Then Claude would guess a fix. You test it again, take another screenshot, paste it in again, over and over. You were basically the middleman between the AI and the real world. That's over now. Claude Code opens its own browser right inside the app. It starts your website, it clicks the buttons, it reads the errors, it watches what happens, and then it fixes the code on its own. Here's exactly how it works. The browser lives right inside the Claude Code desktop app. You hit a couple of keys and it pops open next to your work. Command-Shift-B on Mac, Control-Shift-B on Windows. But here is the real magic. In most cases, you don't even have to open the browser yourself. You just ask Claude to build something, it writes the code, then it quietly starts your website behind the scenes, opens it in the browser, and checks its own work. So picture this. Say you're building something and a button doesn't work. Old way, you'd have to go find the problem yourself. New way, Claude opens the page, tries to click the button, sees the error pop up, reads the error, and goes straight back into the code to fix the exact thing that broke it. It reads the console, that's the hidden list of errors websites keep behind the scenes that normal people never look at. Claude reads the whole thing. It sees the network requests, it sees what loaded and what failed, it sees the parts of the page that are actually broken, all without you lifting a finger. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's why this matters for more than just developers. Say you want a landing page for your business. One that explains what you do and gets people to sign up. You could tell Claude Code, build me a landing page that explains my offer and make the sign up button pop. The old version of Claude would build it and hand it over half checked. The new version builds it, opens it in the browser, clicks the sign up button itself, makes sure it actually works, and fixes it if it doesn't before you ever even see it. That's the real difference here. It's not just building anymore, it's building and checking like a worker who finally took the blindfold off. Now, let me tell you about the part that actually surprised me the most, the safety stuff, because Anthropic clearly thought this one through. The browser Claude uses is completely clean and separate from your normal browser. None of your saved logins, none of your history. It's a fresh, empty browser just for Claude. So your personal stuff stays your personal stuff. And when Claude wants to do something on an outside website for the first time, it stops and asks you. A little card pops up that says allow once, always allow, or deny, and you pick. So Claude never just runs wild on the internet, it waits for your yes. But here's the smart part. Your own websites and your own files don't need that permission pop-up. So when Claude is testing the thing you're actually building, it just works. No annoying can I do this every 5 seconds. it only asks when it's touching someone else's site. And even on a site you've approved, Claude still won't buy things, won't make accounts, and won't get past those prove your human boxes without you. You want to see how fast this is actually moving? Not that long ago, Claude Code lived only in the terminal, that black screen with white text that scares most normal people. You typed commands, it typed back, that was it. Then it came to the desktop app. Then it could preview your website. Now it has a full browser inside it that it drives completely on its own. Each step, the AI needed you less and less. And that's the real pattern to watch here. Every update, the tool takes over more of the boring middle work, the screenshots, the testing, the back and forth, the stuff that used to eat your whole afternoon. So where does this actually go from here? Right now, Claude drives one browser next to your work, tests the thing you're building, and fixes what it finds. But you can already feel where the road leads. You describe what you want, Claude builds it, opens it, tries it, breaks it, fixes it, and comes back only when it's actually done. The gap between having an idea and having it built and working keeps getting smaller. It used to take a whole team, then it took one skilled person. Now, it takes one person and a tool that can finally see. And look, I get it if this feels like a lot. New tools always feel that way at first. But the people who learn this stuff early aren't smarter than everyone else. They just started sooner. You don't have to be a coder to use this. You just have to be willing to sit down and try it. That's really the whole game right now. Show up and learn it before it becomes a new normal. Claude Code took the blindfold off. It can see your website now. It builds it, opens it, tests it, and fixes it, all on its own. The tools keep getting eyes, and the only real question left is whether you're going to learn to use them or watch everyone else figure it out first. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.